Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. So dear students, here is a recruitment update for you from the DRDO. Basically these recruitments are as a direct walk-in for the JRF position, right? So what you need to do, you need to visit the website drdo.gov.in. As I used to say, dear students, in every video, the name of the website. So that's why whenever you want to go for the detailed advertisement, you can directly click on that website which I am just telling you here. So what you need to do, drdo.gov.in here, and here once you will go to the offerings, here we are having some recruitments. These are the walk-in interviews for the JRF positions, right? So research fellows, if you are having this interest, then yes, you can go for it. So first I'm talking about this one, TBRL Chandigarh calls for this one. Once you will click here, okay, view more. So we can see this advertisement number they mentioned, published date is 6th April, that is today. Okay, and the end date will be means the application format already started, and the end date will be 29th for 2026. Advertisement is here. If you want to see here, you need to click on the view. Once you will see, okay, you can see there they mention about the details. So let's check it out. Walk-in interview for the position of the research associate or junior research fellow. So they are having two type of vacancy: research associate, that is RA, and the JRF. I think it is visible. If you want, I can go for the zoom also. Okay. Second is JRF. Okay. Now here they are inviting at the position TBRL Chandigarh. Okay. The name is Terminal Ballistic Research Laboratory Sector Chandigarh. Okay. Here they are having first the junior research fellow JRF Mechanical Engineering. Two vacancies are there and date of interview, because here we are having direct walk-in beta. So you can be there on the 21st, okay, 21st April. Then again here we are having JRF in physics. Here you can go for JRF electronics and communication engineering. Acha, what is requirement here? Requirement is BBTech. If you want to apply in the mechanical, BBTech in mechanical in first division. Similarly, BBTech in EC, okay, in first division with valid NET or GATE scorecard. Okay. Here also net out the GATE scorecard. If you want to if you are having already the masters and again you want to apply, then you can apply here without the GATE scorecard. So for the masters student in first division, okay, ME MTech in mechanical in first division, both at the graduate and the postgraduate level, then you can apply without GATE scorecard. Similarly here also ME MTech you are having in electronics and communication in first division, BE and ME both you are having here as a first division, then you can apply here. Though the walk-in date will be 23rd April. Similarly, here they are having for the JRF number of vacancies 4 available. BBTech in CS with NET or GATE qualify. There is no experience required. 24th April will be the walk-in date. Electrical engineering 2 vacancies. 27th April will be the walk-in date. Metrology and material science, material engineering. If you are having PhD, you can go. If you are having postgraduate graduation, then also you can apply here. And last is the physics. Take it. I told you here about the EC mechanical civil EC mechanical CS and EE. So age is maximum for the JRF, maximum age is 28 years as on the date of the walk-in interview. If you are from the reserve category, then you are having 5 years relaxation. So the research associate maximum age is 35 years. Okay. They mention about here the stipend also. For the JRF monthly stipend, as fixed it is here 37,000 plus HRA, and for the RAs it is 67,000 plus HRA. Annual will be initially for the 2 year for the JRF. If it is available, then further extension can be there, okay, of SRF will be governed as per the rules. Okay. However, the total tenure will not be more than 5 years. And for the RAs, this is only for the 2 years. Place of interview, they mention here the place of interview. You need to carry all these things, whatever they are talking about. Okay. Similarly, once you will go for this one, so this is the one of the recruitment. If you will click on this one, VRDE Ahilyanagar, so here you can go. So VRDE Ahilyanagar calls for the walk-in interview for the post of the junior research fellowship. Here you will go only for the JRF. Again, once you will click on the view option, it will be open for you. Okay, here you can check. So I think as I already downloaded this one, I will show you this advertisement is here. So I will show you here. This is a 6 pages advertisement. You can see, I will highlight also. So this is Vehicle Research and Development Organization, VRDE, under the DRDO is they are looking for this one. The number of vacancy they mention here clearly 3. VRD invite young and meritorious Indians national for the walk-in interview for the JRF position. Okay, here you can go for the mechanical and electrical engineering. In this one which I show you for the Chandigarh, they are having mechanical, CS, EC and double E, and here in the Ahilya they are having only for mechanical and electrical. Number of vacancies they mention here 2 and 1. Again the same thing, BE BTech required first division GATE scorecard. Okay, if you want to apply on the basis of GATE scorecard, you can go. They mention here even the date also. Okay, or 4th May. Document verification is there, written test will be there, written test and interview after document verification is there. They mention about 4th and 5th and 6th and 7th also. Okay, and then place of research they mention here, the place also here, and yeah, tenure will be initially for the 2 year, further they can extend. Stipend will be 37,000 as same to same. BE BTech is required if you want to apply. Okay, on the basis of your BE BTech, then you should have the last 3-year GATE scorecard 24, 25 or 26. If you are applying on the basis of your masters, then there is no need of the GATE scorecard. Okay, upper age limit 28 years here. They mention the details also. I will suggest you to go through with the details as they mention here clearly. The form is also available. At the time of the walk-in, you need to take this one as they mention here till now. Ki walk-in and what they mention here, walk-in, written test and interview will be there, right? So 4th May and 5th May. Again here 6th May and 7th May. All right. So I will suggest you beta ki you can go through for this one, and if you think you want to go there, then you can proceed. All right guys. Thank you.